bata ko dati. Ako lang na nagtataw kang kulay sa buhay niya. Umala ka nagpakulay sa iba. May mga pasabi-sabi pa siyang, ang pagkamuot ko sa imo, garuliputok asindayaday. Umala uto, nagpaliputok sa iba.
And so to keep from telling her a lie, I just accept movies make me cry.
He saw the sign from Stockholm Links, $1,000 prostitute. He couldn't flower on the phone, so to her mother, Tommy said,
Tell Laura I love her. Tell Laura I need her. Tell Laura I may be late. I've something to do that cannot wait.
he drove his car to the racing ground. He was the youngest driver down to Cloud Road as the squad rolls round the track they drove at the dead end. No one knows what happened that day. How his car overturned the fence. The rest of the way from the twice with his dying breath, they heard him say,
Tell Laura I love her. Tell Laura I need her. Tell Laura not to cry. My love for her will never die.
Guantanamera, ¿cuál era Guantanamera? Guantanamera, ¿cuál era Guantanamera?
Yo soy ojo muy sincero, le crece la fama. Yo soy ojo muy sincero, le crece la fama. Al hasta muere cuero, entonces quien socuernama.
Guantanamera, ¿cuál era Guantanamera? Guantanamera, ¿cuál era Guantanamera?
Yo soy ojo muy sincero, le crece la fama. Yo soy ojo muy sincero, le crece la fama. Al hasta muere cuero, entonces tengo que
Ay, o naman sabi ko sa iya pareho, sabi ko sa iya, ang gusto ko sa babae, garukatol. Katulad mo, yeah!
You wonder from his change, a little bit of thought will never do. Never, never, never begin till there will be a love. Pretty woman walking down the street, pretty woman, and I like to meet pretty woman. I don't believe you must be true. Now I can looking good at you. Pretty woman, hey hey hey. Pretty woman, start out wild. Pretty woman, give your smile to me.
Oh, balnok. Bagay ka rin malinigon si motor mo doon sa luwas ay. Nagkukurukintab pa. Bastado mo man ako. Mataman. Bagong change oil pa nga ni iyan. Ay, hanip man talaga. Ano palang gamit mong oil pa di? Sa motor ko, naman iba. Puro Tenza. Yan ang permi kong gamit.
This is Team Samurai Remix.